How to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import products from AutoDS to Shopify for dropshipping. First of all, you have to head over to autods.com and then you have to log into AutoDS. So after logging into AutoDS, wait, let me show you. So you have to log into AutoDS first of all. Wait, then you can tap on to start drop shipping. Also, you can sign up with Google if you wish to. I do it because this is easier to log in. And there we go. We are into our AutoDS dashboard, and from here you can check out a lot of products. So there's one thing I like about AutoDS the most is that you can easily find out profitable products from here, because the product you already see here is whether selling perfectly on the other sides, or it has high potentiality to sell, to get sold. So you can just simply go to marketplace and you can check all of these ones. You can also use AutoDS to import product from Amazon or AliExpress if you wish to. But for now, today I'm going to show you how you can upload AutoDS to Shopify. So just choose a product that you wish to add. For example, I would like to add this USB rechargeable automatic magnetic cup electric coffee mixer. Okay, so tap on to import draft. So then you have to tap on to click here to track the progress, or you can just tap on to click to view. So there we go. There we can see our products right here, and after clicking on these ones, just choose the products. If you want to add more products, then follow the exact same ways and come back to drafts, and let's tap on to import. On this option, simply click on import. Now there we go. As you can see, it has started to import on my products. There might be some issues. Let me see what is the issue. Okay, so for now my store token is right now outdated, but let's see. Okay, let's check it out again if this can be uploaded or not. Okay, as you can see, my store's token is out of date. I have to renew token for the store and try again, but you have to go to AutoDS, you have to choose the product that you wish to add, then you have to tap on to import to draft, then you can view it onto drafts, and after there, from there you have to tap on to import, and after tapping on to import, then you have to answer some questions like you have to log into with your Shopify admin login. Then let me go back to my Shopify dashboard. Wait. So from there you can find it onto the product section. Simply tap onto product sections, and from there you can check out your select collections, inventory, purchase orders, and many more things, for example transfers and etc. So let me show you. From here you can search anything. For example, I'm going to search some guns, play-ons, or you can just choose the select shipping from here to there. For example, this ones. So you can check them out. You can filter all of this out. You can choose specifically toys and hobbies or other categories or niches, you can say. From where you can upload products, you can check out the sourcing requests and products onto the Shopify AutoDS.com, and let's head over to AliExpress. So let's go to aliexpress.com and let's choose a product. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and let's say okay, continuous parka. Okay, now you can download the AliExpress. If you want, you can add it to cart and many more. So in order to upload it, I already showed you how you can do it. And there's another thing that I like about AutoDS the most is that you can optimize the product details according to your need differently. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this one. So this product, just simply tap onto this product, and from there you can check out this. You can generate product with AI, like you can customize or optimize your titles. For example, your titles here, you can optimize with AI very easily. Just simply click on optimize title with AI and it will generate you a bunch of perfect titles. Where customers can find your products easily. For example, this one is make it sound more professional, and you can make it sound more funny, more saleable, more networks. You can choose it like what do you want it to, like more professional, more saleable, more funny, or social networks. I'm gonna tap on to make it sound more saleable, and you have to choose your temperature. I'm gonna tap on to more creative. Then the let's AI write our titles very easily, and it will generate us a bunch of titles. If you don't like it, you can regenerate by easily tapping onto regenerated. As you can see, regeneratable self-mixing magnet coffee mug, waterproof. You can see this. Let's tap onto regenerate, and there we go, another one. You can see this rechargeable self-mixing magnetic coffee mug, waterproof and food safe, 380 ml, and this one. Then you can just simply save it up very easily, and then you can choose your collections. You can enter the collections like AutoFab, Dustfire, and etc. If you want it to add collections to it, and that's it. You can use tags if you want. You can add tags, more tags. For example, I'm gonna tap something like shaker. Okay, then I'm gonna, that's enough I think. Then you can turn on stock monitoring, price monitoring, etc. Then AI will do the rest for you. And after editing everything, like you can also generate product page with AI very easily. But for this I have to renew token for now because my old token has been expired. But you can just simply tap onto it, and that's easy to regenerate product page with AI. Then you can check out product page from here. You can change the descriptions. You can even optimize description with AI very easily. You just have to choose that what you want and how you want to write your descriptions. And after writing or choosing everything perfectly, you just have to tap onto AI write. This is same as the title generations, but for now I can show you because I don't have enough credits right now. Just tap onto AI write, and then you will be able to generate new descriptions very easily. Then lastly, you have to save it up. After completing everything or editing everything, you can check out variants from here, like variants, various types of products. You can just choose the products, or you can choose every single one and then upload it to your Shopify store. So just save it up here, and then you have to tap on to, wait, let me reload the page. Then you simply have to tap on to import from here. As you can see right now I am saying this option, but it will say import onto your interface if you have enough credentials. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video, and leave a comment down below that what type of video do you want to see in future.